Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you 2 effective methods to recover a deleted YouTube channel. So first, you can go ahead and contact YouTube support. So open your web browser and type in youtube.com/support in the search bar. Hit enter on your keyboard. Now click on the 3 dots menu in the top left corner of your screen. Select submit feedback from the bottom left corner of your screen. Choose General Help Center Experience. Tap on Next, select something else from the menu that appears, and clearly explain your situation in this box. You can also add a screenshot, which will help YouTube understand better about your situation. Check this box to allow YouTube to send you email for more information and updates, and then tap on Send from the bottom right corner of the screen. This method allows you to directly contact YouTube, and they may be able to restore your deleted account. Now, another thing you can do is you can restore from brand accounts if applicable. Type in myaccount.google.com/brand accounts in the search bar, hit enter on your keyboard, and here you'll get the section of deleted accounts in the bottom. Go ahead and select it, which is indicating that I have no any deleted brand accounts. If your YouTube channel was linked to a brand account, you can restore it from here. Select the deleted account and click on Restore. This method is most effective if the channel was deleted recently. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.